How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about a very important aspect if your business is looking to partner with Cisco, and that is the insurance requirements, and specifically those around the cyber insurance and the professional liability or E&O insurance or technology errors and omissions insurance. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether it's for yourself, your business, or your family, and overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. Like many companies out there, if your business wants to partner with a company like Cisco, they will have insurance requirements. This includes requirements for coverages like general liability, workers' compensation, and nowadays, cyber insurance and professional liability insurance as well. For general liability insurance, Cisco requires a minimum coverage limit of $5 million per occurrence and in the annual aggregate as well. This coverage protects against claims from bodily injury, property damage, and personal or advertising injury. This policy can also help meet the requirement that Cisco has for products liability. That coverage would help protect against claims that come from potential product defects that cause harm or injury. Workers' compensation also has minimum requirements for the states that you operate in, and you will need employer's liability coverage of a minimum amount of at least $1 million. And then you will also need to maintain a professional liability or errors and omissions insurance policy. The minimum limit that they require for this coverage is $5 million per occurrence and $5 million in the annual aggregate as well. This covers claims for your professional services that could potentially result in a financial loss for your clients. And now for the cyber insurance requirements. These are becoming increasingly more important in today's day and age, and similar to many of the other coverage requirements that Cisco has, they do require a $5 million per occurrence and in the annual aggregate limit as well. One thing to note is that you can satisfy both the cyber and the professional liability or errors and omissions insurance requirements with one policy, and that is known as a technology errors and omissions insurance policy, also commonly referred to as a Tech E&O insurance policy. This would be required to meet the $5 million coverage limit as well. To help get into compliance, here are a couple tips. First is going to be obviously review your current coverage and policy limits to make sure that you do have enough coverage to meet these limit requirements. Another thing to note is that Cisco does require that the insurance company you work with has an AM Best rating of A- or better. If the company does not have a rating of A- or better, you will need to find coverage elsewhere to stay in compliance. Another tip is to work with your agent to help guide you through this process. If it is your first time working with a vendor or a partner like Cisco that has these requirements and you need to purchase higher limits, they can help guide you through the process. And then finally, after you have the right and proper coverage in place, make sure that you do provide certificates of insurance to your contact at Cisco. This will help expedite any part of the compliance process as well. And then last is to stay informed and make sure that you are always up to date with Cisco's insurance requirements. A large company like Cisco will change things from time to time, so it is extremely important that you're staying up to date on any compliance changes that they do have. The last thing that you want is for a compliance change to happen, and then there's issues with your contract, there's a claim, whatever it may be. So it is very important to understand when things do change. Overall, meeting these insurance requirements for Cisco are extremely important for your business if you're looking to partner with them. but these can also help protect your business in general from the variety of risks that it faces every day. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance, with your cyber, Tech E&O, or even your personal insurance as well, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they are all in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about your insurance, commercial, personal, whatever it may be, please leave them in the comments below. I would love the opportunity to help answer those as well. So thank you again.